guys, this is Mansi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw realistic eyes. If you're a beginner, then this video is for you. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So let's dig in. So we'll be starting with creating two horizontal lines which are parallel to each other, and then we'll be creating one vertical line, and this is an easier method to know where the placement of your eye has to go. It provides more precision. Next, I'm going to create four partitions, almost equidistant points, and then we'll be creating almond shaped eyes. Make sure that they are equal in size. This comes with practice, but it's a normal mistake to make at times. Next, I'm going to create the upper lid, and I'm going to darken the upper waterline of the eye. Next, I'm going to create my iris like so, and I'm going to create shadows in my waterline. Then I'm going to create my pupil and I will darken it eventually. I'll start by creating shadows in my upper waterline. You can use a darker pencil for this because it will give more depth and volume to whatever you are drawing. For a 3D look, do try to use transitional shades between pencils. So I'm creating these shadows. Keep going in with those gradually, and I'm going to darken the pupil like so, and then I'm going to blend it with a stump. If you do not have a paper stump, you may use earbuds or maybe a tissue paper to blend. Then I'm going to create this inner corner of the eye, and I'm going to just extend it towards the end of the eye. Keep shading it eventually, and then I'm going to just blend it with the stump. And have you guys ever noticed that the white part of the eye is not completely white? It is almost an egg blue or grayish thing. So if you want to add realism to your eye drawings, I would suggest to shade the white part of the eye to give it a more 3D effect. I'm going to start shading the upper eyelid a little slowly, and I'm going to keep shading, blending and repeating it over time until I think it looks as it should. Next, I'm going to just keep blending, and I'm going to add shadows in the iris. I'm going to darken it eventually, and I'm going to keep blending it until it looks very smooth. Next, I'm going to highlight all the parts and make them very prominent. I'm going to just create more shadows in the upper corners of the eyes, and then I'm going to create these lashes. You need to hold your pencil very lightly when it comes to creating lashes, otherwise it starts looking very animated. And just create these strokes, and the lower eyelashes are a little less dense than the eyelashes present at the top of the eyes, so it will be very light. And then I'm just going to finish this off by creating more shadows in the corners of the eyes like so. And finally, I'm going to blend this all together. And yeah, any drawing is incomplete without highlights. So next up, I'm going to add these highlights to make it more real, and at some random places too. So here's the finished work.